Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet tops. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now so that you can find all type of new videos. And one thing also, I have very special request to you. Don't skip this video. I have collected very special articles for you specially. You will find each article different from others. So please watch this video till end. Crochet tops have numerous benefits. Some of them today we are going to discuss with you. The first and main one is creative expression. Allows for personal creativity and unique design. Custom fit. Tailor made to fit your body perfectly. Variety of style. Endless options for style from casual to formal. Unique fabrics. Experiment with different yarns and textures. Stress relief. Crocheting can be meditative and reduce stress. Eco-friendly. Use sustainable materials for a more environmentally friendly options. Portable. Easy to take along anywhere for crafting on the go. Skill development. Improves fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Social activity. Join crochet groups or classes to meet new people. Learning opportunities. Enhances problem solving skills as you work through patterns. Budget friendly. Often more economical than buying ready-made clothing. Gifting. This is the main point which always I am telling you. If you have any of your special friends and you want to give him very special gift so that he can remember that gift till years, really I have a great idea for you. If you know crocheting, it will be very well. You can make it by your own hands. If you don't know crocheting, don't worry, no problem. Just contact with the person who knows crocheting and give him an order to make a very special crochet top for your beloved friend. Really, I'm sure your friend will not forget that gift till years. Seasonally versatility. Create pieces suitable for any season. Satisfaction. A sense of accomplishment from completing a project. Self-sufficiency. Gain the ability to repair or alter your clothing. Fashion forward. Keep up with trends by designing your own pieces. Therapeutic. Can be used as therapeutic tool for mental health. Variety of techniques. Explore different crochet stitches and method. Skill sharing. Teach others and share the joy of crocheting. Color theory. Learn about color matching and design principles. Increased focus. Improves concentration and mindfulness. Dear viewers, If you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique video. And also, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now and don't forget to press bell icon so that you can find all type of video notifications for your knowledge. Unique gifts. Create one of a kind item for special occasion. Community engagement. Practically in local craft fairs or online communities. Charity work. Make tops for donations to shelters or other cases. Sense of tradition. Connect with a long-standing craft traditions. Build confidence. Boost your self-esteem as you master new techniques. Dear viewers, with the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video. Thank you for watching.